Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Wayfair app and email notifications so you only get the alerts you want. First, open the Wayfair app on your phone. Go to Account, Settings, and then Notifications. Here, you can toggle off push notifications for sales, order updates, and promotions. Next, to stop email notifications, log into Wayfair on your browser. Click Account, Email Preferences, and check the boxes for emails you no longer want to receive, like promotions, recommendations, or order updates. Save your changes and refresh the app or page to make sure settings are applied. Now Wayfair will only notify you for what's essential. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Wayfair app and email notifications in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.